Hi guys, for this week, for my lesson plan, it is aimed towards the first grade. The subject is literacy and the topic that we are going to be reviewing are CVC words. So we're going to begin the class or the section with reviewing CVC words. And for those of you who don't know, CVC stands for consonant, vowel, consonant words. So some examples of that would be a dog, cat, rat, mat, or jug. So to begin, we will be using Google Docs. And so the students are going to go to our Google Docs right over here, and it's about a passage titled Pat the Cat. And on here, students are instructed to highlight all of the CVC words. So in this little passage right here, there are a ton of CVC words. That's why I chose it. So they're going to start by highlighting every single one. Once again, I chose this because I'm an early childhood major, so I really wanted something that I could actually apply to my class. I was going to do a reading for like high school students, but I'm not interested in teaching that level, so I decided to kind of go out and discover what I can do for the younger children. And of course, they can use different colors to highlight, and there's a ton in here, like a ton. So I'm sure you get the point. Obviously, it'll take them much longer considering that they're first graders. But then as the students go down, they will find a QR code right here. It does work. Obviously, I created it earlier. You can even test it out if you want. But they're going to scan it, and it is going to take them over here. And it's like a little mini scavenger hunt, which is fun because I think it'll really help them with their knowledge on the CVC words, and it's also just a fun way to do it. So basically what they're going to have to do is, so they'll see this picture right here, it correlates with the one down here, and they're going to sound it out. So that's taco. So the first sound of a taco is a T for t. Taco. So they're going to type in their T right here, and they're going to carry on. So then the second letter would be hat. So hat starts with H, so then we have H right there in our number 2. And then we're going to move on to our last one, which of course is an egg, which starts with E. So then right here, they're going to put all of our letters together, and they are going to create the word T-H-E, the. So they're just going to carry on. This is our car. This is an apple, so that starts with A. And we have a tooth right here, which starts with T. So here they are going to type in cat. That's our second word. Then as we move on, we have ice, so that begins with an I. For the second letter, we have a sun, which begins with an S. So we have our word is. Then our last word starts with fish, so that would be an F. Umbrella, which is a U. And then we have nose, which starts with N. Oops, didn't mean to do that. And then we're going to type in our word down here, which is fun. So our secret code, we will go up to our very first word, that is the. And then our next word is cat. And then we will go up to our third word, which is. And then our last word, which we created, is fun. So the cat is fun is our secret code, and we have 2 CVC words in there. And yeah, that is the end of my short little lesson. So of course, students will either need an iPad or a Chromebook, and down here I just created the links to the first activity, the highlighting one, and then the QR code, which takes them to the scavenger hunt. I hope you enjoyed. Thanks.